Hey everybody, back with another video. It's been a while, but it's me, BrideMilla. Today I just wanted to talk to you all about using script fonts. One of the things that I have noticed is that a lot of people use the script fonts and their letters are not connected. So I'm going to show you how to make sure that you do that. I'm just gonna use the word love here. So that's the word love, just in regular font. But in order to change the font, you have to go up here in the top left corner. And I'm going to use glitter. I love glitter as the font. I'm going to make these letters lowercase. So this is the font, what it looks like. You see how they are not connected. One of the things that you can do is you can change the letter space here, which is in the middle of the top. And you can either type in the size you want the space to be, or you can use the up down arrows here, whichever is more convenient for you. So if you notice, the V and the O is a little bit over, and so the same with the E. So what you're going to do is go to the top right hand corner and you're going to click on group, and you're going to move them over using the mouse or the keypad, whichever is more convenient for you. I'm using the mouse. The other thing that you also want to make sure that you do when you use a script font, which is something that is in cursive, is you also want to make sure that you weld it. As you can see that when I welded the E filled in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the back arrow so that it'll change it, and I'm going to move it again, just trying to make sure that there's enough space so that it doesn't fill in. And sometimes I have to just make it bigger, and that's probably what I'm gonna have to do now, is make it bigger, because it did it again. Oop, I dragged it all the way over there. I'm just gonna click the back arrow so that it goes back. All right, and I'm going to try it again. I'm going down to weld. Okay, so now you see that I made it bigger and moved the E out a little further, that it welded correctly. So that is it. It is super simple to use the welding and to move your letters to make sure that they connect appropriately. Just make sure that you connect them. Once you weld, I do want to let you know that once you weld, you and goes to something else, you can't unweld it, so you'll have to start over. But if you weld and then you just hit the back arrow, you can do that. But if you don't, then you'll have to start over. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.